Most of the countries that we have right now are maraming OFWs like Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, UAE, Qatar, and of course, the USA. We're starting the USA. And sabi ko tamang-tama because ang goal natin next year, 2025, is really to inspire and empower Filipinos. Our objective is always start working abroad. You have a purpose while you're there, but start building your business because there's so much more in life than just working abroad. Ang buong kasi namin balang araw, they have a business of Sancake in different countries and they can go back home while retaining their business there. And Vice can be of big help to us.
Galing! Alright, let's go back to your healthy routine, Vice, no? Kanina you touched on it already. Pero ano yung, parang yung nagsimula ang umaga ni Vice with Sandy? Parang, sabi mo, hindi ka nag-breakfast, no? So yun na yung parang ini-intake mo before leaving the house and going to showtime.
Alam mo, isang magandang effect sa akin, magmula na nag-take talaga ako ng Sancake Party, natulungan niya ako sa problema ko sa constipation. Promise, kasi problema ko talaga yan. So, masarap sa umaga na alam mong magaan yung tiyan mo, na ilabas mo yung mga toxins mo. So, doon siya nagsisimula, yung pag-isip ko sa umaga, diretso na ako ng CR, lahat ng mga ganap ko doon, maliligo na ako, mag-toothbrush na ako. At maraming pagkakataon na, yun ang namimiss ko kasi wala siya, constipated ako. Pero dahil sa Sancake Party, doon siya nagsisimula yung nalilinis ko agad yung mga toxins. So, mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko. At napakahalaga para sa akin na masimulan ang araw ko ng magaan ang pakiramdam ko. Kasi from home, as I wake up every day from home, didiretso ako ng studio, I need to feel good about myself. I need to feel good kasi yun ang makikita sa akin, yun ang gustong makita sa akin ng viewers ko at yun ang gusto kong ma-share din sa viewers ko. Yung feeling good every day, di ba? Ay, hindi man every day, maraming pagkakataon, kailangan feeling good tayo, gusto kong makapagpasaya. At hindi ako makakapagpasaya if I don't feel good about myself. Physically, di ba, kung mabigat yung pakiramdam ko. So, ganon lang ang araw ka every day. Gigising ako, didiretso ako sa salamin, at kakausapin ko yung sarili ko. Kakausapin ko yung sarili ko at sasabihin ko sa kanya na napakaswerte natin, naswerte tayo, pinagpala tayo, magpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. At today, marami pa tayong biyayang tatanggapin. At feeling ko kasi yun ang healthy life. Yung being able to live a life full of gratitude, diba? Full of happiness, diba? Marami tayong issues, marami tayong mga ikinaiinis every day, pero dapat hindi niya ma-invalidate kung ano yung magaganda, yung beauty around us. So, feeling ko a healthy life is a life living full of gratitude and happiness and embracing the fact that whatever it is, whatever is happening, meron kang blessing na matatanggap every day.
Ganda na sinabi mo, Vice, ha? Just listening to you right now.
Physical and mental, yung mindset nga, kahit yung physical and mental, kailangan combine siya, na positibo siya nagsisimula sa umaga. Diba? Kailangan magsimula ka sa umaga ng may positivity. Siyempre, hindi laging positive ang ganap sa paligid all the time. Pero kailangan, meron kang enough ounce of positivity in your heart, in your body, para masabayan mo at malampasan mo even lahat ng uri ng negativities na papaligid sa araw mo araw-araw.
But will you recommend this as a family daily routine na?
Yes, of course. Even yung nanay ko nagsasancake party na. Even yung ate ko na doktor nagsasancake party. Kasi maganda yung ate ko doktor, nagtatanong ako sa kanya, okay ba to? Tama ba to? So, kami sa family ko, kami ng nanay, especially yung nanay ko. Kasi nga, di ba sinasabi natin sa Sancake Party, live for more. Kung meron mang tao sa buong mundo na ipagdadasal ko na for her to be able to live for more, yun yung nanay ko. At itong pagpapakilala ko sa kanya ng Sancake Party, masaya ako dahil isa to sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng paniniwala na yung nanay ko, mas haba pang buhay, mas haba pa yung pagkakataon namin ng magkasama, at mas magiging maligaya pa kami magkasama.
Ganda.
Even yung mga bata, na talaga yung health and wellness doesn't start whenever you feeling something already. Hanggang bata pa sila, dapat maging masustainably healthy lifestyle so that they can grow, not only older, but they can grow living a healthier life, activities for it. That's the reason why this year, we organized the biggest running races in the Philippines. We have Sancake Party Trilogy, in partnership with Coach Rio de la Cruz. And ang goal namin is inspire a lot of young people to really go into health and wellness.
Alright, speaking of that, Vice, what to you is living for more?
Living for more? For me, living for more should be everyone's mantra. I believe it should be everyone's inspiration every day to live for more. Kasi we were all born for it. Diba? We were all born to live for more. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para magmukhang kawawa. Diba? Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para mapagkaitan. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para hindi ma-enjoy ang buhay. Because life offers a lot of endless and limitless surprises and possibilities every day. At ipinangako yan ng Diyos sa atin. Diba? Na hindi tayo, kaya ang laki-laki ng ginawa ng Diyos sa atin ang mundo at napakaganda ng mga creations ng Panginoon. So bakit natin i-deprive yung sarili natin to live for more, to experience more, to enjoy more? Kasi that's what life is all about. Diba? Ipinanganak tayo hindi para magmukhang kawawa at pipirin. Ipinanganak tayo para ma-enjoy ang lahat ng pwede natin yakapin ng magagandang buhay.
Ganda, Vice. Now,
I love you too so much. But first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, sir, and to the entire Sandy family. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your wonderful family. I am just so proud to be here today and to be with all of you. I'm so proud to say na at last, part ako ng Sandy family. And I am very proud of all of you. I am very proud of all of you. The first time that I was able to talk to him, we talked about the kind of people na bahagi ng pamilya nito. And I was just overwhelmed to know that Sandy family is a family of breadwinners. Diba, napakarami sa inyo. Alam ko, ginagawa niyo lahat ng ginagawa ninyo ngayon, hindi lang para sa mga sarili ninyo. Dahil ang pangarap ninyo ay hindi lang naman pangarap para sa mga sarili ninyo. Pangarap nyo yan para sa buong pamilya ninyo at sa mga taong mahal na mahal ninyo. And I know all of you are working very hard to achieve your biggest dreams, not just for yourselves, but for the family that you have, for your most loved ones. Diba? Kaya I'm very proud of you at ipagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at naway lahat tayo makaranas ng magandang buhay na deserve natin, na ma-achieve natin mula sa pagpapala ng Diyos at sa hard work na ginagawa ninyo at sa oportunidad na meron tayong hinaharap araw-araw. We are very proud of you. More power. God bless you. At magkita-kita tayo sa finals ng masasaya at mas masagana.
there